Jai Hind friends, my name is Manvinder Singh Shekhar. Today me and my team discuss about Commonwealth Games. In last Commonwealth Games, India has won 4th rank.
The Commonwealth Games was known as British Empire Games in 1930, which was organized by Lord Wellington.
In previous Commonwealth Games, India won 61 medals.
Out of them, 22 are gold, 17 are silver, and 23 are bronze.
During 21st century, the Commonwealth Game first played in England.
1934, India participated first time in Commonwealth Games in London Commonwealth Games.
Bobby Robinson was known as the founder of the Commonwealth Games, and the first Commonwealth Games was held at Hamilton, Canada in 1930.
As my friend Abhay says, first Commonwealth Games had Hamilton, Canada, and the top association in this Commonwealth is England.
The Commonwealth Games were known as British Empire Games in the period of 1930 to 1950 and British Empire and Commonwealth Games in 1956 to 1966.
In badminton, PV Sindhu won gold medal.
And Lakshya Sen got gold medal in men's.
In previous Commonwealth Game, India get 4th rank in the world.
1930, 1950, 1962 or 1986, India is not participate in Commonwealth Games.
Total 11 countries and 400 participants were participated in the first Commonwealth Games in Hamilton, Canada.
Lovepreet Singh won a bronze medal in last Commonwealth Games from India.
Commonwealth Games was named as Commonwealth Games forever. Previous its name was British Empire and Commonwealth Games in 1970.
In last Commonwealth Game, India won 3 gold medals in boxing.
Lovepreet Singh got bronze medal in weightlifting.
India get 8 medals in archery in Commonwealth Games 2008.
1942 and 1946 Olympic Games is cancelled due to Second World War.
The Commonwealth Games of the 2026 will held at Australia's Victoria.
The second Commonwealth Games is organized in London, England.
The British Empire Games was named as British Empire and Commonwealth Games in 1970 in the Edinburgh, Scotland, in which Queen Elizabeth II attended the Commonwealth Games for the first time.
In last Commonwealth Game, Australia was on first rank.
After every 4 years, the Commonwealth Game was held.
In 2010, the
As my friend says, the Commonwealth Games of 2022 was held at Birmingham, UK, and the theme was "Sports is just the beginning."
In Commonwealth Games participates 53 nations and 71 teams.
In last Commonwealth Games, Mirabai Chanu won first gold medal to India.
In 1978, the Commonwealth Games was organized in Alberta and Canada, and after that, the British Empire and Commonwealth Games was named as Commonwealth Games forever.
In last game, Australia was on first and England was on second and Canada was on third rank.
India won 4th medal in badminton in CWS.
in Commonwealth Games,
The Commonwealth Games of the 2018 were held at Australia's Gold Coast, in which India won 65 medals, out of which 25 are gold.
2022 Birmingham Commonwealth Games, Australia got first ranks 14 times.
India won highest medal in Commonwealth history in 2010.
The Commonwealth Games was organized in England in 2002 since 1934, in which the Jubilee of Elizabeth was celebrated.
India's performance is increasing by every game.
In badminton team game, India won gold medal.
In 2022, India won 4th ranks 3 times.
In the year 2018, the Commonwealth Games total countries participated were 71. In the year 2022, the total countries participated is 72.
In 2010, India won highest medal. The number of medals is 101, and Geeta Kumari Phogat won first medal in Kushti in Commonwealth Games.
The Commonwealth Games Federation is the Commonwealth Games Association is the responsible for selecting the countries in which Commonwealth Game will be hosted.
As the Manavendra said, in 2010, Geeta Kumari Fogart won first gold in Kusti.
In Commonwealth game, India at rank 4th.
In 2022 Brazilian Olympics, archery not involved, but 2018 in India won 3 gold medals.
The theme of the Commonwealth Games 2018 was Theme the Dream.
Commonwealth Games organized as a friendly games.
The Commonwealth Games is responsible for organizing Commonwealth Games and Commonwealth Youth Games and also selecting the hosting cities.
Commonwealth Games headquarters is in London.
It is also known as friendly games.
Commonwealth Games established RFB, red, blue or yellow.
The Commonwealth Games of the year 2030 will be held at Hamilton, Canada.
In 2014, Babita Kumari Fogart won bronze medal in category of 51 kg.
In 2010, the Commonwealth Games was organized in Delhi and it is the expensive Commonwealth Games ever in which the cost was $11 billion.
Commonwealth Game was known by many names like Commonwealth Games, British Empire Game and British Empire Commonwealth Games.
In Commonwealth Games, hockey men's teams won bronze medal.
2022 Tokyo Olympic gold medalist javelin throw Neeraj Chopra is involved in 2022 Brazilian Paralympics. He won a 2018 javelin throw and gold medal.
The Indian women team won bronze in the Commonwealth Games of 2022.
As my friend Lakshman says about Neeraj Chopra, but Neeraj Chopra did not participate in last Commonwealth game due to his back injury.
The 3 countries, England, Australia and Canada, has taken part in almost all Commonwealth Games.
And they are also holding first rank in many Commonwealth Games.
Ravi Dahiya won the gold medal in the men's 57 kg category in the Commonwealth Games 2022.
In third Commonwealth Games, Canada will top the association.
The present CEO of Commonwealth Games is Kathleen Sadler and the first CEO was Sir James Lakewood.
The Indian women's cricket team won the silver medal in the Commonwealth Games 2022.
In last Commonwealth Games, women's hockey team won bronze medal to defect New Zealand team.
The current Commonwealth Games was organized in Birmingham and the next Commonwealth Game will be organized in Australia in the history for the first time when Commonwealth Games will be organized in 4 cities of Australian states of Victoria.
Sanket Mahadev Sengar won the first silver in the Commonwealth Games 2022. That's all about the Commonwealth Games, and thank you very much for listening us.
Jai Hind.
Jai.
Jai Hind.